And now let's talk about the dynamic and condenser. Now, a dynamic microphone looks something like this. The entire idea of the dynamic microphone is to make sure that it rejects background noise, it rejects reverberation as well in the room. And that's all that matters with dynamic microphones. And the reason why they were invented is to be used in more like live environments, places where the room is not acoustically treated. That's why you want to use a dynamic microphone. And in most cases, podcasters would fit this type of application because many podcasters record into all sorts of different places, in their office, in their home, in their living room, outside. A dynamic microphone would be very good for that. However, a condenser microphone looks something like this. It's a little bit bigger. And with a condenser microphone, you will also need a pop filter. So you might want to think about that, especially if you want to record a video podcast. A pop filter sits in the front of the microphone that could obstruct your face. But the idea of the condenser microphone is that it's more sensitive. It captures more background noise, but you would use it normally in a studio-like environment where you've got acoustic panels, where there's not a lot of noise. It's also very sensitive to if you hit your stand, for example, you will hear a big rumble, and usually you might want to use a shock mount as well with it. So it's a little bit of you trade quality for convenience.